I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel, boy, you give me chills, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched part 1 of my apartment hunting and you're here for part 2, make sure you like this video, please. So, I'm already at the 3rd place, and I don't know if y'all can see that I'm not feeling it. I'm not, but I'm trying not to judge a book by its cover. So, hopefully I get more impressed with the tour. But, so far I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling the environment. Yeah. I mean, honestly, like, the light, at first I was like, this is the hood. This is the hood. But apparently this is the cheapest place that was on the list. So, I don't want to say that's why. But, honestly, like, the more I drove, like, this is not the hood. I saw couples walking and couples taking their dog out. They don't do that in the hood. So, yeah. So, all right. We're about to see what it's looking like. Thank you.
So this is the gym. The gym is 24 hours, a little bit of everything. We usually have 4 people at a time in here as the max. And we come in twice a day and just Lysol everything down just because and then I'm gonna turn on some lights for us. This one's a smidge bit darker. Just because we've got that beautiful but big tree.
Yeah.
Humor me and stick your head inside the pantry and see how big it is.
No, it is big. I can already tell from here that it has a lot of space. There's a patio.
Yes, it's a huge short closet.
Oh, wow. Oh, walk-in closet. Yeah, this closet is big.
And keep in mind, if you're on the 2nd floor, you would have this carpet everywhere except for the bathroom and the kitchen.
Okay, perfect. I can already see the difference.
Oh, for sure.
Oh yeah, I like this a lot better.
It's beautiful.
It is. Yeah. I like this a lot better.
The only thing is this does tend to go towards that 1050 range.
Yeah. Honestly, I like it.
It would be worth it.
It would.
Okay.
This is really nice. Yeah, the same space.
And with the colors, it seems bigger.
It does. It makes it look
It's a lot
brighter, lighter. Yeah. It definitely does. The lighting. Yeah, the sink.
Oh, the sink is lovely.
Patio about the same.
All of our patios should be the same square footage.
Yeah. It does look brighter.
Which makes a difference. Like,
It does make a huge difference. Does make a huge difference.
And then I don't know why, but I love the little frame around the mirror in the
Oh yeah. It does. Hey guys, so I just got done with this third place, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm more impressed than I thought, which is a relief. It is a lot smaller than the other apartments that I looked at, but the way the leasing office explained everything to me, I feel more comfortable here. One, it's in my budget. I'm a student, so I'm not like looking to pay for anything crazy. It's so funny because y'all are probably like, girl, you say you like every apartment. I really do. Like, my realtor did a good job. Like, she did. Granted, the gym isn't as big. Everything is smaller here, but it doesn't bother me, you know? Like, it doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me at all. Like, this has potential. So, before I say any more, say, oh my gosh, this is my favorite, let's look at the last apartment. And then I'll just give my consensus on everything. But, all right.
And there's charcoal grills in the back. These are colored lights at night.
Thank you.
All of our outdoor seating does get Wi-Fi.
Oh, wow.
Instead of coming out outside, we do have a mini putting green. As well as the outdoor fireplace. Were you bringing any pets with you?
No. I'm thinking about it, but I don't have any pets right now.
Okay, so we do have a lot of grass space as well as 2 dog parks if you decided to get a puppy.
This is nice.
It's a pretty day outside.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it got a little bit warmer.
It feels so good.
Cold. Yeah. Definitely feeling like the first day of spring.
Yeah, for sure.
Biggest difference, other than the fact that this isn't the floor plan, is our second and third floors are majority carpet.
Oh, no, which is common for everyone.
Yeah. So this one's majority plank.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is huge. What square feet is this again?
920.
Yeah.
So the A2 is like a mini version of this. The only difference is there's no desk.
Mm-hmm.
But the kitchen looks pretty much similar to this. Has the detached island, has the same appliances. And then washer and dryer is included in all floor plans.
Oh, you said the A2 doesn't have a desk,
It does not.
which is fine. Yeah, this is, I really like this.
And then in the bathroom, this one has a garage after that.
Oh, sorry.
In the bathroom, the biggest difference is it will only have the garden tub with the shower head combo, not the stand-up shower.
Oh.
So this one has it separate.
Yeah, the room is big too. Yeah, the closet is huge.
Yeah, this one has a big closet.
So was the restroom. The restroom's huge too. Oh, so the bathroom has both.
No, so it'll only have the garden tub with like
Oh.
a traditional shower head. It
Yeah.
doesn't have the stand-up shower.
Yeah.
But it does have the same size stuff. So it's not your water heater closet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All okay. Yeah, this is really huge. Storage. This is also a lot. Okay guys, so I'm finally done for the day. This was the fourth and last apartment for the day. I liked every apartment I looked at. This last one, I liked it a lot. I did. The model they showed me was really huge, but obviously the one that I choose would be smaller because it's just me. Each apartment had like different features. Like, so far my favorite probably was the second apartment I looked at, which would be in my part 1 video. That has been my, like, I loved it. Second, third, and fourth, I'm not gonna tell you guys. I'm telling you which one my favorite is, but that might not be the one I live at. Some of the leasing office agents, like the one I just came from, the third apartment, the leasing agent was so sweet, so nice. She told me everything up front, pretty much told me that I would be approved based off of my qualifications and my income and my, I'll be approved, which obviously, I mean, the place is small, but it's funny because like before I even went apartment shopping, I said I don't want a huge apartment because, again, I don't want to feel scared or anything. All of the apartments are safe, like the area is safe. I don't think the first one was gated, but all the others were gated. I don't know, like now I'm like, dang, like I really thought I would know which one I would move into, but now I'm like really indifferent, like I'm not sure. But if you watch part 1 and part 2, let me know in the comments, like, which one was your favorite, which one would you live in, why. Yeah, alrighty, thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around. You know how I do. You know how I flow.